Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Fashion Nova. Before that, make sure you are connected with your internet and open Play Store app on your phone. At the top, you can see search bar, tap on it and then type Fashion Nova and search it. There you can see Fashion Nova, tap on it and then you can see green install button, tap on install. Downloading process can take some seconds or minutes depending on your internet speed. Fashion Nova is an American fast fashion retail company. The company primarily operates online, but it has also 5 bricks and mortar locations. Fashion Nova is known to use social media marketing, particularly on Instagram. Its headquarters is at Los Angeles, California, US. It was founded by Richard in 2006. And there you can see our app has been installed. After completing installation process, at the bottom corner you can see open button, tap on open to start. Our app has been successfully installed. Hope this video helped you. Please like, share, comment and hit the notification bell icon. Thank you.